In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your image getting cut off in Canva. If you've ever dropped a photo into a Canva design and noticed that part of it is missing, or someone's head or text is chopped off, don't worry. This usually isn't a problem with your image. It's almost always about how the image sits inside a frame or how it's been cropped. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly check what's causing the issue and how to adjust things so your entire image shows exactly the way you want. First, open your design in Canva where the image is being cut off. Click once on the image. Pay attention to what appears around it. If you see a kind of mask or shape with a photo inside it, that means your image is inside a frame. Frames are special elements in Canva that automatically crop images to fit their shape. When your image is too large or positioned off-center inside that frame, important parts can get hidden. To fix this, double-click on the image. You should now see the full photo inside the frame with handles around it. At this point, you can click and drag the image to reposition it. Move it up, down, left, or right until the part you care about is fully visible within the frame's borders. If it still feels too zoomed in, look for the corner handles and drag them outward to make the image smaller inside the frame, revealing more of it. Take a second to preview by clicking outside the image to make sure nothing important is being cut off. If your image is not inside a frame, it might have been cropped manually. Click on the image and look for a crop option in the toolbar. When you select crop, Canva will show the visible area with darker edges around the hidden parts. Drag those edges outward to reveal more of the image, or reposition the image within that crop box. When you're happy with the result, click Done, or simply click outside the image. One more tip. Always match your image's aspect ratio as closely as possible to your design or frame. Wide images in tall frames, for example, will almost always get parts cut off. If needed, resize the frame or choose a different layout that better fits your photo. Once you've adjusted the position or crop, give your design a final check in full view to confirm everything looks right before you download or share it.